Hi, good morning from Jumeirah Golf Estate. We are entering now in our Hollywood villa. This is the name that I chose for this villa. This villa has been extended. I want really to show you the way that we extend. All this that you are seeing is an extension and is fully integrated in the house. Also, this front of the villa is an extension. This extension is G+1 because we extend as well the master bedroom. Now enter with me and I will show you why we call this villa Hollywood Villa. We enter in this mansion and the first thing that you can appreciate is the floor in a perfect transition with the tiles, good looking floor. Every time client asks us, hidden cabinet, see, entrance, and then you can hide immediately your stuff. We pass in this part of the house. There is a playroom here. This is a family of 5 with 3 lovely children. Come with me. This is the focal point of the house. This area has been fully extended. This is very important. The house before used to finish on that window. We extend completely from this wall. Come with me and I will explain you better. Enjoy the living room and we'll discuss later about. Where we are now is a fully extension. Before, from this window, you see directly the road. We've done all these square meter. We close with this wall that we cover up completely with this lovely brick. So in this house you have to appreciate the design, but much important, the technical and the new layout. Now, the dream of the client, a beautiful olive tree inside the house, and we custom made with the carpenter in this beautiful ash gray, the table around the olive tree. Every night they have dinner here, we close the roof with this glass. So this is part, it's one of our best. And then the client, she hang up all this story of the family, and this touched my attention. Happiness is homemade always. Now we access from here to this Hollywood kitchen, an American kitchen, huge, massive. What I want to really highlight, coming from this part, this is another extension. This extension you can show you from outside. This is the dream of the client, another dream. Have the children coming from another door, secondary door, they come here, they put all the stuff. See, again, with this touch of coastal design, perfectly integrated with the luxury of the rest of the house. It's a proper family home. Now, let's access to the kitchen, family area, as are linked together in this big opening part. And then dining room. Here we have the dining room where we can appreciate this beautiful Leroy Bosch piece. And then coming here, we have this more formal area. Consider that this is a family that formal and informal are linked together. Are both of them a super hard worker. They work in a huge company, so they know what they want. They are practical, they are smart, and it was an amazing experience and journey work with them. So here you can see everything. Now we can go upstairs. Enjoy the beautiful stair with this double ceiling wall, a beautiful rail, and then we go up. And we access to the master bedroom. Master bedroom, talk alone, it's a mansion. This, if you can see, is an extension. Has been completely extended. Office, they work a lot also from home. Beautiful bed. And then we have a walk-in closet for the husband, that usually is always smaller. Master bathroom. moving from here, look at the flow. I always recommend to separate the bedroom with a partition in gypsum, where moving here, look at the flow. I go in the beautiful, stunning Hollywood walk-in closet. Wow, this all mirror that reflect everything. Feeling a queen, moving in all the other part of the house. See, this has been made by us, this partition, in all the style of the house. Don't forget there is another walk-in closet here. More master. So, 2 walk-in closets in the same room. Now we move on the other part of the house. It's huge. It's an apartment in this master. We move in the girl bedroom. It's so cute. Let's move in the other room. Boy bedroom. Everything has a flow. If you can see, girl bedroom, boy, master, there is a unique flow, very calm, very relaxed. It's the house for everybody. And here, I wanted to highlight as well the studio. This everybody has at home and nobody uses. No, joking. And then we move here where we design and custom made the linen cabinet where she can keep all the stuff for the house. From here you can see the roofs of the new area extension. We change completely this beautiful window. And then here we have the other 2 extra guests. That's why it's Hollywood house. That's why we love to bring around with us in this beautiful mansion. And we really hope you enjoy in the same way, with the same passion that we do. Ciao.
I didn't miss. Did you check what's from here? Sai, all around the glass. Walking closet.